In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view WhatsApp status on WhatsApp web. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to navigate status updates, and how to interact with them right from your computer, all in a clear and simple way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp web. This takes you to the official web interface where you can use WhatsApp on your computer. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, as status updates include images and videos that stream as you view them. On the WhatsApp web page, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Use your phone to link your existing WhatsApp account by scanning that code, or choose the option to log in using your phone number if it's presented. Just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be guided through the short verification process. Once your phone and browser are linked, your chats will load on the left and you'll be signed in to the same account you use on your mobile device. If it takes a moment, don't worry. That's normal while your messages and media sync. With WhatsApp web open, look to the top left of your chat list for the status icon. It resembles a circular broken ring. Click it to open the status pane. This is the dedicated area for viewing temporary updates. At the top, you'll see My Status. Click the small icon next to it to view your current status updates. This is helpful if you want to quickly check what you've posted and how it appears on the web interface. Below My Status, you'll find a list of contacts who have recently updated their status. Each entry typically shows a name and a profile image. Click a contact's name or profile picture to open their update, or click the icon right beside their name to jump straight in. If you don't see someone's update, they may not have posted recently, or their privacy settings might limit who can view it. Inside the status viewer, you'll see the contact's name along the top. Use the on-screen controls to play or pause the update. You can mute a contact's status if you prefer not to see their future updates as prominently. You can also react with emojis for a quick response, or send a reply directly from this screen, which opens a chat with your message attached to the status. Remember, statuses disappear after 24 hours, so what you see is time-limited. That's it. Simple, clear, and entirely within WhatsApp web. Enjoy browsing and responding to updates right from your computer.